Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Trolli Popsicles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need approximately 100 grams of your favorite Trolli gummy candies, 1 cup of a clear, carbonated beverage like lemon-lime soda, and your trusty popsicle molds with sticks. This method is straightforward and yields delicious, chewy frozen treats. Now, let's get those gummies ready. Gently heat your 1 cup of carbonated beverage in a small saucepan over low heat. Do not boil. Once warm, add the 100 grams of Trolli candies. Stir constantly for about 5 to 7 minutes until the gummies are completely dissolved into the liquid, creating a vibrant, sweet syrup. With your gummy mixture ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the warm liquid into each popsicle mold, leaving about 1/2 inch of space from the top to allow for expansion during freezing. Then, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each filled mold, ensuring it stands upright. The final step is the easiest: freezing. Carefully transfer your filled molds to the freezer. For best results, allow them to freeze for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. When ready to enjoy, run a little warm water over the outside of the mold for a few seconds to easily release your delicious Trolli popsicle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.